Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into the world of laptops. But before we do that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. This way, you won't miss out on any of our videos on the latest trends, insights, and entertainment. Ready to decode the jargon and find the perfect laptop for your needs? Let's get started. Ever find yourself puzzled about which laptop to buy? You're not alone. It's like navigating through a labyrinth of jargon, terms, and numbers. But fear not, we're here to simplify the complex world of laptop specifications. We'll uncover the mysteries of processors, the showdown between SSD and HDD, and guide you to choose a laptop based on your personal or professional needs. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to make an informed decision. Let's dive in. To pick the right laptop, it's crucial to understand what's inside it. Peeling back the layers of jargon, let's start with the processor, often termed as the brain of your laptop. The processor performs all the calculations your system needs to function. More powerful processors can handle more calculations simultaneously, which translates into faster and smoother performance. Intel and AMD are the two prominent players in this space, each offering a range of processors for different needs. Next up, we have memory or RAM, random access memory. This is the short-term memory of your laptop, storing the information your processor needs right now and in the near future. More RAM allows your laptop to handle more tasks at once, boosting overall speed and efficiency. Moving on to storage. Here, you'll encounter two terms, SSD and HDD. SSDs or solid-state drives offer faster data retrieval times, making your laptop boot up quicker and applications load faster. HDDs or hard disk drives are slower, but provide larger storage capacities at a lower cost. The graphics card, also known as the GPU, is responsible for rendering images, animations, and videos to your laptop's screen. A high-end GPU is essential for tasks like gaming or video editing, but for everyday tasks, the integrated graphics that come with most laptops should suffice. Don't forget about the battery life. This determines how long your laptop can run on a single charge. More powerful components often require more energy, so there's a balance to be struck between performance and battery longevity. Lastly, screen size. This is largely a matter of personal preference. Larger screens can improve your viewing experience, but they also make the laptop bulkier and can drain the battery faster. In essence, the processor, memory, storage, graphics card, battery life, and screen size all play a vital role in defining the capability of your laptop. They are the building blocks that determine how well your laptop will perform, whether it's for gaming, video editing, or just browsing the web. Remember, these specifications determine the performance and capabilities of your laptop. Think of the processor as the brain of your laptop. It's a key factor in your laptop's performance. The processor, often referred to as the Central Processing Unit or CPU, is integral to your laptop's functionality. It's essentially the command center of your device, responsible for executing the instructions of a computer program. Now let's understand the differences between the two major players in the processor market, Intel and AMD. Both have their strengths, and your choice ultimately depends on your specific needs. Intel processors are known for their high-speed performance and power efficiency, making them ideal for tasks that require complex computations and multitasking. On the other hand, AMD processors offer excellent graphics performance and are generally more affordable. They're a good choice if you're into gaming or any work that requires high-quality visuals. Another important aspect to consider is the number of cores in your processor. In simple terms, more cores mean your laptop can do more things at once. A quad-core processor, for instance, can handle multiple tasks more efficiently than a dual-core one. However, it's not just about the number of cores. The processor speed, measured in gigahertz, G8s, also plays a pivotal role. Higher G8s means faster processing of data, leading to a smoother, quicker experience. So when it comes to processors, consider your computing needs to choose the right one. Storage is where your files live, but not all storage is created equal. In the world of laptops, storage plays a pivotal role, and it usually comes down to two main contenders: hard disk drive or HDD and solid state drive or SSD. Let's start with the classic, the HDD. These are magnetic mechanical devices that have been around for quite some time. They're known for their large storage capacities and more affordable prices. However, their moving parts can make them less durable and slower in accessing your data. On the other hand, we have the SSDs, the new kids on the block. SSDs are flash-based memory, meaning they have no moving parts and thus are more durable and significantly faster than their HDD counterparts. They can boot your system, launch applications, and transfer files at lightning speed. But this speed comes at a cost, literally. SSDs are more expensive per gigabyte and typically offer less storage capacity than HDDs. So how do these storage options affect your laptop's performance and price? Well, a laptop with an SSD will be faster, quieter, and more robust. It's perfect for those who value efficiency and speed above all else. But if you're a data hoarder or on a tight budget, a laptop with an HDD might be more up your alley. In conclusion, if speed is your priority, go for SSD. If you need more storage at a lower cost, HDD might be the way. Now that we've covered the basics, it's time to consider what you'll be using your laptop for. In the world of laptops, there's no one-size-fits-all. Different tasks require different specs, so let's break it down based on the type of work you'll be doing. For you gamers out there, you'll want to focus on a laptop with a powerful processor and a dedicated graphics card. A high refresh rate display is also essential to keep your games running smoothly. Look for a laptop with at least a 6-core processor, 16 GB of RAM, and an NVIDIA RTX 3060 or equivalent graphics card. If you're a graphic designer, you'll need a laptop with a high-resolution display for accurate color representation. A fast processor and a good amount of RAM will help your design software run smoothly. Consider a laptop with a minimum of an 8-core processor and 16 GB of RAM. For the programmers in the crowd, a decent processor and plenty of RAM are crucial for running development environments and virtual machines. A laptop with a quad-core processor and at least 8 GB of RAM should suffice. For those of you who need a laptop for general use like browsing the web, watching movies, or using office applications, you don't need to go all out on specs. A laptop with a dual-core processor and 4 GB of RAM should be more than enough. And let's not forget the importance of storage. SSDs are faster and more reliable than HDDs, so they're a great choice for any laptop user. For gamers and professionals, consider getting a laptop with at least a 500 GB SSD. For general users, a 250 GB SSD should be enough. Finally, consider your mobility needs. If you're always on the go, you might want a lightweight laptop with a good battery life. Remember, the best laptop for you is the one that meets your specific needs. So take your time, do your research, and pick the laptop that's perfect for you. We've journeyed through the labyrinth of laptop buying, breaking down the complex world of specifications into digestible chunks. Our voyage started with deciphering the myriad of laptop specifications, showing us that they are not just random numbers and letters, but a language that reveals a laptop's capabilities. Our curiosity led us to the heart of laptop, the processor. Regardless of being a casual user or a hardcore gamer, we've understood that the right processor can make a world of difference. Our journey took us to a storage duel, where we compared solid-state drives with hard disk drives. We've found that while HDDs offer more storage for a lesser price, SSDs are superior in speed and durability. We then tailored our understanding to your needs, realizing that the perfect laptop does not fit all. It's about discovering a machine that meets your specific needs, whether you're coding, designing, gaming, or simply browsing the web. Remember, the perfect laptop is not about having the highest specifications, but about having the right ones. It's about understanding what you need and how different components can fulfill those needs. With this guide, you're now ready to find your perfect laptop. Happy shopping!